is what did that animal eat? Mainly because horses and cows now are being fed grain, being fed grasses, 100% grass that the farmer has sprayed the field to make sure there's nothing but grass growing. And that is a chemical that is so persistent that whenever the horse or the cow consumes it, it goes through their system and does their thing and kicks out the back end. And it's just about as strong as it was when it came out of the bottle that they bought it from the store. And this will toxify your garden to the utmost damage that it's irreversible. In a short term, it can be reversed in a very long term, very precise means of remitigating the soil. Joe Lampo, who was a guest last week on the program, he has went through this on his farm, in his garden, where he got aged horse manure that had this persistent chemical in it that the farmer was spraying on the field to kill everything but the grass. And he got it when it was black soil, and it destroyed and caused a lot of problems.
Persistent broadleaf herbicide.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's many different names under that, company names, but it's the knowing where the source comes from. Great. The cow manure is free. The horse manure is free. Free doesn't always mean good.
At what cost?
Yeah, at what cost? It doesn't. There's nothing wrong with saying, hey, Mr. Farmer or Lady Farmer or Man Farmer, what has your animals been eating? Because here's the problem that the horticultural industry is facing and dealing with because of these chemicals in which you are spraying on your fields to kill everything but the grass to feed your horses and cows.
Absolutely. So that's something to definitely keep in mind and be aware of.
Killer compost is the term that you can look for online. You can also go to our website. You can just type in anything, killer compost, and Joe Lampo's information will come up, and it's much more precise than what we're able to cover in a few minutes here.